So think of this like you and your partner are a detective, and instead of solving a murder or a robbery or an assault or something like that, you're going to solve a cold case that's almost 100 years old. And instead of one specific crime, it's the race riots in Chicago of 1919. What caused them? So we're going to look at some different sources. If you make a copy of that Google Doc, you should see a page like this. Here's what we're going to start with. A textbook. Okay? This textbook is like a normal U.S. history textbook that an average high school in the United States would use for their junior U.S. history class. Let's all take a second, close our eyes, and reflect upon how nice it is to not have to use textbooks. Okay, thank you. Now, what we're going to do is compare what these two documents, A and B, say about what started the riots. If you scroll down till you see a chart, this is what we're going to do. Instead of answer a series of questions about them, we're going to take this little chart right here and say, what do they have in common? What's different between those two textbooks? And which one do you trust more and why? Okay? So how it's going to work is you and your partner read these however you want. Together, silently, one of you reads A, one of you reads B. It's totally up to you. Then go down in the chart and figure out what they have in common, what's different about them, and which one you trust more. So figure out how you're going to do that with your partner. Go ahead and read A and B.